How do you use dharma to overcome your own difficulty?
We have to accept the one thing, that in our life there are a lot of difficulties, there are a lot of the challenges. So we have to find some way, we have to find some method to overcome all these difficulties and challenges. So there are a lot of the methods which help us to reduce our difficulties, and which help us to reduce our problem. Also, there are some methods which help us to overcome all of our difficulties. So Dhamma is the one advice. Dhamma is the one advice we are giving to how we can live rightfully, how we can live happily. Dhamma is giving that message. Because if you look at this world, if you look at the whole of the human, whole of the sentient beings, everyone wants happiness. No one wants suffering. Some people feel that earning the money is very important. Some people feel that studying is very important. Some people feel that doing the good things for the society is very important. But if you ask the one question to them, what will happen if you earn a lot of money? What will happen if you study well? What will happen if you do the good thing for the society? Final answer will be same. We will become more happy. So one very interesting story. I thought that one time, one of my student told his friend, someone that I used to teach the people that how to live happily. That person told my student that that he knows how to live happily. He told my student that if we can earn more money, we can live happily. Right now he don't have a Ferrari car. If he have the Ferrari car, he will be more happy. It's very simple how to be happy. So people feel that earning the more money makes you more happy. Studying more makes you more happy. Doing the good things for the society makes you more happy. The final answer is that how to achieve the happiness. How we can achieve the happiness. So Dhamma is some message it gives us that how we can achieve the happiness. How we can generate the happiness. So most of people, they feel that we can become happy if we have something else. So most of people that if I have this, if I got this, I will be happy. That is the most people way of how they calculate. But the Dhamma is saying that you can be the happy what you have already in your hand. You don't have to achieve something else to become the happy. Lots of people, they are not knowing that they can become the happy. They can generate happiness what they already have. So that is what the Dhamma giving the message. Dhamma is teaching us how we can live happily with what we have. So that's why they're saying that one time someone asked the Buddha, how can I be the happy? Buddha gives a very simple answer. Told him that first take out the eye, then take out the mind, then happiness will come. When you see the absence of the I and the mind, then the happiness, automatically happiness comes. Right now, what we're happening is we are focusing too much on the self. We are too much of the self. We think that I too much. That makes us more unhappy. When you have a less thinking of the self, more happiness, more peace will come in our life.